through the practices of Osho's teaching and through many practices or learning. But still he was visiting the yoga place to complement his understanding of life. And as we were talking, and he asked my understanding, then I told that what I have collected is not about much knowledge, it is about conducting oneself in life. The behavior with self and the behavior with people whom we meet or interact. And above this is a new level of living, because when we commit to yoga, we should be preparing ourselves for a long time, because once this path is adopted, we should stick to the Shubha Karma or the divine action, and hence the divine living. Now the divine living is available readily just from now, this moment, but because of the previous way of living, it cannot be fully incorporated from today. But a day of living like that, where will not have any differences with anyone whom we meet, then we will understand what actually is incessant happiness all about. So this one day of living can inspire us to make the whole life like that, and which used to take time. We need to shape up our body, our mind, consciousness, energy. All these are the name of one thing called as divinity. So with these words, we'll stop over here, and rest of the thing we will communicate in new part. Thanks for watching.